Something about Lutherie is that you're always learning. You're always learning new tricks. You're always learning how to do something a little bit better, a little bit quicker. Well, this is a trick I learned just recently from Eric Schaefer, a great guitar builder, about installing plastic bindings into your instrument. We've always used glues and super glues and all sorts of stuff that always requires a complete sanding afterwards. And Eric uses acetone. So I thought I would give it a try this morning on this new Traditions Performer solid mahogany ukulele. And what acetone does with the plastic is that it melts it. So the adhesion to the wood is caused by the melting of the plastic. And then the cleanup is almost non-existent. You just have to run a light sanding over it. There's no glue removal. I'm digging it. This is really cool. And it works. So thanks, Eric Schaefer. Keep building great guitars. You know, part of life is always learning. You're always being willing to try new things and to listen to advice from people. That's what Lutherie is all about. Cool. See you later.